Hey guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nandini. If you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi people, I'm Nandini. I basically make videos on lifestyle, beauty, and a lot more. So please do subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you will never miss any of my updates. And also, I'll give my Instagram handle in the description box. You can go check out. In this video, you will be seeing this makeup look, which is a no makeup look for school or college students. I hope you will like this video, and also I used only 5 products to do this makeup look, and also that is super affordable. Please go and watch till the end, and let's get into the video.